Hello, welcome to World of Floorcraft. We are Nelson and Karen Rose, and this is Technique, Leading Footwork, talking about slides. Now, there are two main kinds of slides that we're going to cover today, and that's where the feet are closing or where the feet are moving apart. So that's easy enough. There are other kinds of slides, for instance, the kind of classic thing of actually sliding somewhere or dropping someone and sliding them along before they come up. That's a different topic that'll come on another occasion. So we're just doing the two basic slides today. So first off, we're going to do them on our own. So if we face the front, if we start with our feet together, long step to the right, leaving the left behind, that is a perfect situation to slide the feet together. Now, if we were to lift the center at this point, there are two things that could happen. There's that, which basically means everything comes up, or there's the foot draws in. And now the simple thing is that's what we'd like to happen. This, very odd. You'd actually have to do something with a little bit of tilt to the body to get that to actually happen. And it's not a natural thing, so you've got to really work to make that one happen in freestyle. So let's do it one more time. Lift the center, and you'll notice the foot comes in, and it hits a point where no matter how high you go, it's not going to want to come any further. That then relies on our actual dance skills to finish the motion off. So that's closing. If you wanted the lady to come into here and then stop, you'd actually have to lead her to stop before you did whatever you were going to do next. So that's closing. Opening, if we stand with our feet a little bit wider than shoulder width apart, shift away onto one foot. We're going to do the left this time. If we push down, two things could happen again. We could effectively squat down, or we could slide the foot out. So how do we tell the difference? Well, simple thing, if there's no weight committed to the right foot, we don't want it to stay where it is. So if the weight is all on the left, it moves out. If we transfer just a little bit of weight onto it and push down, we're actually leading the squat. So if there's no weight on the foot, it's free to slide. So let's try it with a partner. All we're going to do to start with is we'll do a first move, we'll do a lunge, and then all we've got to do here is lift to get the foot to come in. We can then transfer and twist out. So let's try that. Back one, in two, twist out three, lead that lunge. Now all we've got to do is lift to slide the foot in, transfer the weight, and then finish the first move off as usual. Let's try it. You can take however much time you want over that lunge. I'll call one option. See if you end up naturally doing the same one. 5, 6, first move with a slide. We go a back, in, twist and lunge. Lift, lift, transfer, twist, twist, turn, face, return and back. Obviously when you get an opportunity like that where you can be very flexible with the timing, listen to the music. That way you can connect up and use the timing the music's using. So that's sliding in. Now we need sliding out. We're going to do that from an open hold. So we're going to go back to two hands. We can do lead a step to one side, we can lead a step to the other so the feet are a little bit wider apart. Now all we can do from here is we can sink and slide out, come up, transfer. Let's do the other side too. Sink, slide out, transfer, and to finish you can do whatever you like. I'm just going to do a twist into a return and I'm done. So your turn, here we go. It's 5, 6, 7 and 8. We go a back, step in left, right, sink and transfer, sink and here we go, twist, forward, return, and you're there. That's it. We'll be back next time leading lock steps, and there will be a later video looking at the other kind of sliding. Thank you very much for watching World of Floorcraft, and subscribe, hit the bell, you'll know every time a video comes out. Cheers! I hope you've enjoyed learning some Modern Jive. There is a link to some music that is good to dance Modern Jive to. Thank you to everyone who hit subscribe. You are helping us to make more clips. Thank you. Keep dancing.